Simple, vegetarian, equally nice grilled or in a pan. No bun or in a super sandwich. Accompanied by sauces and seasonal vegetables. Chickpea burgers are just the passepartout recipe you were looking for. Chickpeas reporting for duty. Let's start! I'll start by pouring the boiled chickpeas in the mixer. Then I'll add the chopped shallot, mustard. It will give our burgers a particular flavor, but if you don't like it, you can put less or leave it out. Let's say that these are plain basic burgers that you can customize as you want by letting your imagination run free, adding curry, herbs, replacing shallot with garlic. As you wish. I'll add the eggs, some nice grated fresh ginger, let's add the bread, and let's give it a nice stir to mix all the ingredients. I'll transfer the mixture into a bowl and add some breadcrumbs to adjust the texture that must become easy to shape. Let's add salt and pepper. I can wet my paws and shake my burgers. The first one's ready. I'll go ahead like this with all the others. And I can cook my burgers on a griddle pan that I've already warmed up. A few nice grill marks also on the other side, and I'm ready to serve. And here are our chickpea burgers. Simple and delicious, will make the whole family happy. I'll link down below the photo recipe on GialloZafferano, where you can find doses, ingredients and the step-by-step procedure. If you like this video, don't forget to leave us a nice like, and if you have any questions, write them in the comments. And of course, if you haven't done it yet, subscribe immediately to the channel. Bon appétit!